Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to participate in Zero Network Testnet by Zerion. Zerion is a decentralized finance and NFT wallet that allows users to manage their crypto assets across multiple blockchains. They have raised so far up to $22.5 million from a number of investors, including Coinbase Ventures. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be putting you through how to participate in their ongoing testnet called Zero Testnet. But before we dive right into this tutorial, if you found our content helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token, WikiCat, built on the Binance Smart Chain network, right? The contract address of WikiCat will be right in the description. So we're going to start with opening Mrs. Browser. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is to download the wallet extension. So let's do that. So I'll paste the link to where we have the wallet on Chrome Web Store. All right, so once you're here, select Add to Chrome. So select Create New Wallet if you do not have an existing wallet. Set up the password for your wallet. Back up now. You should see your recovery phrase. So ensure that you copy your recovery phrase, have it saved in a safe place, right? Okay, so, all right, so let's open our wallet. Zerion. Okay, so once you're here, the next thing to do is to fund your wallet with Ethereum Sepolia. So we already have a video on how to fund wallets with Sepolia Ethereum, right? So if you do not know how to do that, you can check out that tutorial video. But for me, I'm not going to be funding my wallet using Facuet, right? I'll be sending some Sepolia Ethereum from my MetaMask wallet over to my Zerion wallet. So if you have friends that have Sepolia Ethereum, you can have them send some tokens over to you. But if you don't, you'll have to use Facuet, right? We're going to add Sepolia Ethereum to our wallet. So come over to Settings and then select Developer Tools. Then turn on Testnet mode. Okay, go back. Okay, select all networks. Then select Ethereum Sepolia. All right, so we are on Ethereum Sepolia network. So I'll copy my wallet address and then I'll send from my MetaMask. Send. Impute wallet address. Search. Next. Confirm. All right, so our tokens have been sent. So let's go back to Zerion Wallet. So you can see we now have our test tokens in our wallet. So next, we're going to head over to Zerion Bridge and we're going to bridge our Ethereum from Sepolia network to Zero network. So let's head over. Search. The first thing to do is to connect our wallet. So select Connect Wallet. Zerion. Connect. So I had to switch to desktop mode because I was having issues with the site. So you can see we'll have to switch our network to Sepolia network since we're bridging from Sepolia. So select Sepolia. Okay guys, so this is easy and straightforward, right? Impute the amount of Ethereum that you want to bridge. 0. All right, after that, select Continue. Select I understand, proceed to bridge. Okay. Select Bridge now. All right, select Confirm. All right, guys, so it keeps saying waiting for confirmation. But if we go to our wallet, we'll see that our token has actually been bridged to Zero Testnet. So let's select Zero Testnet and then select this send icon. So impute the wallet address and then impute the amount of Ethereum you want to send. Okay, then select Confirm, sign and send. Okay, says transferring. So there will be a wallet address in the description if you need a wallet address to send your tokens to. So the next and the last on the list is to mint NFTs. So this one we probably require real funds, right? But then let's go to the site. So here, if you have some Ethereum on Base network, right, you can mint NFTs. So just select mint, and then you can see the amount is going to cost you to mint one, right? You can mint as many as possible, right? You can choose from these numbers, or you can input the amount that you want to mint. So once you're done, if you have the funds in your Base network, you should actually be able to mint, right? If you do not have the fund in your Base network, so you have it in other network, right? You will have to bridge. So by selecting bridge to Base, it will take you to Base bridge, where you can bridge your token. Select super bridge. So you can bridge your tokens here, right? If you have tokens in your wallet, you can see this is grayed out, probably because I do not have any Ethereum to bridge over to Base network. So if you have that, then you can mint these NFTs. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial video. I hope the video was helpful. Please drop your questions in the comment section and they will be attended to. Do not forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.